If your phone is hacked, you don't have time to wait. What you do in the next 60 seconds could save everything. First, kill the connection, turn off Wi-Fi, turn off mobile data. Right now, because if they're connected, they're watching. Second, restart in safe mode. This shuts down most spyware instantly. On Android, hold the power button, then press and hold power off until safe mode appears. If you're using an iPhone, just restart it. Third, check your apps carefully. Look for anything you don't recognize. If it feels off, it is off. Delete it. Hackers hide inside apps that look completely normal. Listen carefully. This is where most people mess up. Fourth, change your passwords, but not on that phone. Use another device, because if your phone is compromised, everything you type can be seen. And finally, if you're still unsure, factory reset. Yes, it's drastic, but it wipes everything, including the hacker. Back up your important files first, then reset your phone completely. It's the fastest way to take your phone back. Most people ignore this and regret it later. Don't be one of them. Subscribe if you want to stay protected. Next, we're exposing free VPNs that secretly sell your data. And trust me, that one is worse than you think. Stay threat-proof.